Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best car buffer is probably one of the most important tools for any car enthusiast who wants to achieve a showroom shine, and in this video, we will explore the top car buffer polishers on the market, comparing their features, performance, and ease of use to help you choose the perfect one for your needs and budget, whether you're a seasoned detailer or just starting out. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER WP900 Buffer Polisher. Get ready to experience the ultimate in car care with the BLACK+DECKER WP900. Its random orbit action ensures a flawless finish, saving you time and effort. Say goodbye to arm fatigue. It features a comfortable, two-handle design for easy and comfortable use, even on large vehicles. With its extra-long 10-foot cord, you'll have the freedom to move around your vehicle without constantly changing outlets. Applying wax or polish has never been easier. It comes with a soft foam applicator pad for seamless application. Achieve a showroom shine with the included polishing bonnets. They're designed to deliver a superior, high-quality finish. It's powerful, easy to use, and delivers a professional-looking shine every time. Upgrade your car care today. What we like. It ensures a uniform finish fast and is comfortable to use for extended periods. Its long cord allows for great mobility around your vehicle. If you value ease of use and a smooth finish, this is the polisher for you. What people say. The orbital buffing takes a beating and keeps on going. You can press hard enough to get a good buffing and its motor is strong enough to keep going. The ergonomics are great. Holding at different angles etc. Moving around hard to get places and around bottom of airplanes and corners of body panels. The 6 inches is great because it can get a lot more that you don't have to redo by hand later. Tight spaces etc. I've tried larger and smaller orbital polishers and I really like this size. Orbitals sometimes are super vibrating so your hands can end up numb from all the vibration. This one is somewhat smoother. I found the handles great in keeping the device steady. My hands did not get numb, vibrations were much less than others. The built-on black pad seems pretty soft with just enough flex. I polished my nitrocellulose lacquer guitars to take out some light to med scratches and it worked great. These were deep but not through to the paint. Was able to get about 3/4 of the scratch so that it's barely visible line instead of the visible scratch that it was before. It's an orbital car polisher, either it works, or it doesn't. This one does work as it's supposed to, as well as one would like it to work. The most important aspect of using a machine such as this is using it properly. However, if for some reason, the polisher is being utilized in a manner that may impart damage to the vehicle finish, it actually disengages. There's only a certain amount of hand pressure that it will allow before it stops orbiting. Essentially, all one must do is guide the polisher, no pressure is required from the user. I have been using this polisher for 7 years now and it has performed flawlessly. Number 4. AVID Power 6-inch DA Polisher. This polisher is perfect for detailing your car, removing scratches and swirls to bring back its shine. It's also versatile enough for use on wood and metal. With 6 speed settings from 1500 to 6800 RPM, it adapts to any task. Use low speed for waxing, medium for polishing, and high speed for removing paint defects. The adjustable handle and rubberized body provide a comfortable, non-slip grip, ensuring control and preventing accidental drops. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it's easy to operate yet powerful enough for any detailing job. It effortlessly handles even large projects. Its dual-action random orbital motion guarantees a flawless, swirl-free finish every time, superior to traditional polishers. The kit includes the polisher, 3 polishing pads, a pad disc, detachable handle, spanner, hex wrench, and user manual. Everything you need to get started. The 7-inch foam pads ensure the 6-inch backing plate won't scratch your car's surface during polishing. What we like. It offers variable speed control for different tasks and a dual-action design for a swirl-free finish. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use. If you need versatility and precision, this polisher is a great choice. What people say. Opened this today and went to work compounding and polishing 2 vehicles that I've neglected for a few years. This performed very well with a slow speed to spread the compounds and a high speed to do the polishing. It's not too loud and sounds like any power tool should. It operated smoothly with little vibration and again what you'd expect from an orbital polisher. It's more than powerful enough for its purpose. It's easy to control and it's not too heavy, allowing me to use with one hand when needed. Used it with some cutting compound to buff out some paint swirls on the bends. Cleared up some old headlights. Going to try it on an old oxidized truck to see if I can make it look a little better. This polisher cut the time by way more than half. Never got hot and worked it hard for a few hours with just a few minutes for a break. I know it's very early to do a review as it only arrived today, September 30th, 2023, but I put it straight to work. The results were amazing as it removed 90% of the scratches and swirl marks and all of the oxidation. The machine is very well balanced, low vibration, fairly quiet and has lots of power, 5 amp, 600 watt, and I found that the sweet spot for compounding was at speed level 4. I found that I basically used the front handle just to guide the machine as the machine was very capable of doing all the work for me. Number 3. DEWALT DWP849X Buffer Polisher. This 7-inch to 9-inch polisher is powerful and versatile, perfect for various detailing tasks. Its variable speed control gives you precision for any job. The rubber overmolded gear case and back handle provide a comfortable and secure grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. You'll appreciate the ease of handling. It features a variable speed trigger and dial, allowing you to easily adjust the speed from 0 to 3,500 RPM to match the specific application. Precise control is at your fingertips. The replaceable wool ingestion shields prevent wool from getting sucked into the unit, keeping it running smoothly and extending its lifespan. This simple feature saves you time and money. It includes a no-volt release switch, preventing accidental starts when plugged in. Your safety is our priority. Changing backing pads is a breeze thanks to the large spindle lock button. Quick changes mean less downtime. Pop-off brushes protect the armature, extending the motor's life and ensuring long-lasting performance. It's built to last. What we like. It features a variable speed trigger for precise control and a durable build for long-lasting use. Safety features like the no-volt release switch add an extra layer of protection. If you prioritize safety and control, this is a solid option. What people say. Its 12 amp motor delivers robust, variable speed performance, 0 to 3,500 RPM, effortlessly handling 7-inch to 9 pads. Durable, vibration-free design ensures smooth, professional-grade results on any surface. The 12 amp motor and 0 to 3,500 RPM dial deliver smooth, precise results. Durable build, easy handling, perfect for heavy-duty jobs. It is constructed well with a great fit dash and finish. It is also a heavy polisher, meaning you don't have to exert pressure yourself, you are free to simply guide it. The pad size is Goldilocks, not too small and not too large, just right. It has a heavy-duty electrical cord that is long enough. Cheaper brands come with shorter cords, making it a pain to work on your vehicle. Number 2. Chemical Guys TORQX Polisher Kit. This kit has everything for paint polishing, scratch removal, and restoring your car's shine. It's the ultimate all-in-one solution for any vehicle. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this dual-action polisher is lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for paint correction and swirl removal. It helps maintain that showroom shine. With a 700-watt motor and 8mm orbital throw, it delivers strong, consistent results. The ergonomic design minimizes fatigue, even for longer detailing jobs. It's built to last with durable materials and intuitive controls. It easily handles various surfaces, from paint and clear coats to glass and headlights. Surprise any car enthusiast with this complete detailing system. It includes powerful tools, premium pads, and top-tier compounds to keep any vehicle looking flawless. What we like. It's an all-in-one kit with everything you need to polish and detail your car. The powerful motor makes quick work of any detailing task, while the compact design makes it easy to handle. If you want convenience and a complete solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit has been a game-changer in our car detailing routine. Its dual-action motion effectively removes swirls, scratches, and other imperfections from the car's paint, leaving behind a smooth, glossy finish. The variable speed settings allow for precise control, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced detailers. The Chemical Guys BUF503X TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit offers a solid set of tools and products for car detailing. The polisher itself is easy to use, with a comfortable grip and decent power for most tasks. The included pads, polishes, and compounds work well for the most part, and the 8mm orbit size is good for achieving a smooth finish. This is a great polisher buffer for anyone. It is one of the few products where it is extremely user-friendly. This polisher buffer lets a weekend warrior have the ability to look like a professional. The unit itself is built very well. It is a very sturdy and well-balanced machine. Number 1. ENEACRO Rotary Polisher. It boasts a powerful 10-amp motor, reaching speeds up to 3,500 RPM with minimal noise. This ensures efficient and professional-level polishing. Weighing only 5 pounds, it's easy to handle and store. The 6 speed settings let you adjust the speed from 1500 to 3500 RPM for different materials and tasks. It's perfect for cars, boats, and more. Use it with the included accessories to polish, wax, and remove scratches from various surfaces, including wood and metal. With 2 detachable handles, you can customize your grip for comfortable use. The safe switch lock lets you maintain a chosen speed easily and safely. It comes with everything you need to get started: multiple polishing pads, sanding papers, handles, and more. Plus, enjoy our defect-free service and quick customer support. What we like. It boasts a powerful motor for efficient polishing and a variable speed dial for precise control. The detachable handle allows for comfortable use in various positions. If you need power and versatility for various surfaces, this is a great option. What people say. This machine is just as durable as the leading brands. It's lightweight and very easy to use. Extremely user-friendly. I was able to figure it out right out of the box. The polishers are easy to replace and are standard size. I was able to use pads that I have had left over from other machines, and they work just fine with it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.